Hi, today I thought I'd show you how I've made these little baskets, these Easter baskets. Well, initially I came across a video, a tutorial on how to make these rosette bunnies, and I thought, yeah, they're good, I like them. And then I came across a video on how to make these Easter baskets, well, treat baskets they're called. So I thought I'd incorporate, because I couldn't be bothered to make any more rosettes, so I thought I'd incorporate the little bunny face there on the baskets, and it's kind of worked out quite well. So I'll just show you how I've done it, put it together. But it's not my idea, the basket is not my idea, and the rosette is not my idea, but I've incorporated the two to make these fun little Easter baskets. So right, I'll just set my camera up and then I'll show you how I've done it. Okay, so basically what you want to start off with is a sheet of paper card 6 by 6, and you want to score it at 2 and 4, and turn it round and score it at 2 and 4 again. And then all you need to do is just cut along the horizontal line there. I mean, it's all equal squares, so it doesn't really matter. So just cut each end, turn it round and cut that end and that end. So you get that basically. So all you need to do now is loosen up your flaps and bring in these two edges. So bring that one in and just bring these two edges together so the tips touch, and then you glue that in there. So you just folding this in on itself. Now you can either use wet glue or hot glue, depending if you want to get your fingers burnt or not. So I'm going to stick that on there like so, and then just stick another bit of glue on that flap there, so that makes the wall of the basket, so to speak. And then you just do that with the other side. It is just so simple. So trying to say, it's just so easy. So bring that flap in, bring these two flaps to the side and sort of like get them to meet like so. So I'm just going to glue that. Ends to ends. And then just put some glue. Take time gluing it up. So that is your basket. Right, so I'm just going to put a bit more glue on the outside here. And then you need a piece of card 1 inch by 6 inches. And then just curl it off and stick that on to make your handle. So let's do that. Can't get over how quick and easy these are. Just scoot that over a bit. I've got my bifocals on so nothing looks straight. Right, so just glue the end of that. Just done the wrong end, so I want to do that end. And then I'm going to try and get it central, but like I say, things aren't centralised when you've got bifocals on. So ideally I could have got rid of that glue. Let me try and just scrape this glue off. No, it doesn't want to go. That's the trouble with hot glue. You only get one stab at it. Not to worry, we'll leave it on. It's only a piece of card at the end of the day. So that is the basis of your basket. So quick and easy. So how I decorated the front is I cut 2 ears out using this die that I've got. Whoops. You want everything will cave in on me. Right. These oval dies come in different sizes, and I just used the smallest one, although the pink I didn't have a die that size, so I just kind of cut round with my scissors for the pink inlay. Let me get rid of that. Right, so that's what I've used for the ears, just a die. Now for the little hair bow, I used these dies here. They come in a set of 4, I believe, and I'll just use the middle one. So they come in handy. And basically for the whiskers, whiskers and the teeth, I just cut some card and a circle punch. So, and then just fringed some black card to give it like a moustache whiskers. You could even make eyelashes, couldn't you? And then just use a circle punch to make some cheeks. I was going to say cheese then. Cheeks. I think I'm hungry. And some googly eyes. Now the googly eyes weren't that big, so I just cut some card, some circle of white card, and then stuck the googly eyes on them. Right, so let's decorate. So what I'm going to do first is what I've done there is I've stuck the teeth on the back, then I've stuck the whiskers on top of the teeth, and then covered it with a bit of a punch card, bit of card there. And I'm going to place it just so it's central on there like that. That gives you then sort of like a focal point, so you can work off that. So that's what I'm going to do. Because you could get one eye up here and one eye down there. So just going to centralise that like so. And then I'm going to put the ears on, Bunny Rabbit's ears. So I'm going to stick them like that. So stick that one at that side of the handle straight up, because Bunny Rabbit's ears are quite straight up. Try and get them even. So like so. 3 blind mice. No, I didn't mean that. Right, no, scrape that. Right, okay, so now we want the cheeks. So let's get rid of this hot stringy glue. Right, so now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cheeks on. So I'm just going to lift the whiskers out of the way. I mean, you can decorate these how you like, but I just thought it looks so cute. So I'm going to lift those whiskers out of the way. I'm going to put the cheeks on, although you can't see the cheeks because I'm using pink paper, but still, not to worry. Right, so making a right pig's ear with this glue. Right. Oh, it's the strings that drive you mad. I normally use me Yoo-hoo glue. Right, so I'm going to stick the cheeks on, like so, even though you can't see them. with these strings. And then I'm going to place the eyes on. So I like to do that flat. And that's it. I'll put you there and you there. I just think they're so adorable. I started making bunny rabbits today and I should have been at the vet's. I had 5 minutes to spare. Going hell for leather over the speed bumps. Got there 5 minutes late. So, there you go. There's a little bunny rabbit. Now for the back. I absolutely hate the feel of cotton wool. But here we are. But needs must. So I'm going to stick some cotton wool. God, doesn't it feel horrible? Stick some cotton wool. Wouldn't you'd believe it? I cut a cotton wool in half. Yuck. It made me shudder. Right, so I'm going to stick that there like that for his tail. And for his nose, on this one, I had some little fluffy pom-poms and I thought that looked quite nice. So what I thought I'd do, all I had was a pipe cleaner. So I just rolled that up into the shape of a nose. So it'll do, but I prefer the pom-poms. So we'll just stick that on there like that. And then you can decorate it further. But I think it looks so cute. Actually, I think I like it in pink. I've been doing it in yellow and all kinds of colours. So then, just needs a little bow to finish off. Probably there. No, not there. Actually, it does look a bit like a mouse with it. Right, so I'm going to put the bow on there. And then it's finished. So what a cute little project, and I'm so pleased I came across it, so I thought I'd share that with you, and I hope you like it. So I've made some little flowers as well, so you can decorate it, you know, accordingly. I might stick them on there, or I don't know, let's put them on the side. Make a tag or something. Actually, I've got a stamp which I can make a tag that says Happy Easter. That's quite appropriate. So there you go. I hope you like that and have a happy Easter. Bye then.